How to turn on or turn off profanity filter on Outlook. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable profanity filter on Microsoft Outlook mobile app. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile and go down, click on settings right here. Now after you click on settings, you will find many options right here as you can see. All what you have to do is simple. Scroll down like this until you find dictation option. Click on dictation and here you will find profanity filter. You can turn it on or turn it off from here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.